What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. Today we're going to be announcing the winners of the Ultimate Tool giveaway competition, plus a little twist. Let's get straight into it. Let's do this. Alright guys, so we're literally minutes away from announcing the winners of this competition. We've got 2 prizes ready to go for 2 lucky winners. Thank you very much to everybody out there that's shown their support, their loyalty, all the comments and feedback down below. I really appreciate it. I've read all of them and the vast majority of them have been added to my to-do list so that I can at a later stage provide you guys a step-by-step video on how to do those tasks. So thank you very much to all those people. Funnily enough, a lot of the comments down below were also very much on the right track with what I'm trying to do with this channel. I'm trying to grow it so that I can provide you a lot more relevant, wider variety, and a lot more creativity when it comes to my videos. So it's really working in line with what I'm trying to achieve here on my channel. Help me, help you guys. There's a link down below if you want to donate, help me achieve those goals a lot quicker. Feel free to do so. But for now, let's check the comments and see who the winners are. Alright guys, so it's now 12 o'clock. Let's start our screen recording and see what we've got here. So I'll quickly refresh my page and we'll quickly scroll through the 3 comments with the most likes. We've got here Remnick with 69 likes, George P with 118 likes, Danny Danker with 291 likes. Now this should be all organized from the top comments first, but I'll quickly scroll through, make sure we haven't missed anybody. We've got a lot of comments here. I think there was about 420 comments, somewhere around the line. Keep scrolling through. We've got a lot of awesome suggestions all throughout here. So thank you very much once again. Keep scrolling through, we don't want to miss anybody in case they're not organized correctly. So just keep scrolling through. If you haven't already done so, make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Share the videos. That's how we can grow this channel the fastest, is by sharing these videos. Help your friends out, help your family out. We can establish an awesome community here where we can actually refer to something honest, something step by step, and hopefully everybody will be a winner at the end of the day. Quickly scrolling through, making sure we haven't missed anybody. A lot of comments here. Awesome ideas. Just want to make sure we haven't missed anyone. Almost at the end. There, just bear with me guys. And there we have it guys, so I'll scroll back up to the top quickly. Double check out 2 winners that we've got announced. I think 2nd and 3rd place was fairly close. And there we have it. So there are our 2 winners right there. First place, Danny Danker with 291 likes and George P with 118 likes. So let's take this opportunity guys to congratulate our 2 winners. Danny Danker coming in at 1st, George P coming in at 2nd. Congratulations to you both. I hope you enjoy your prizes and you put them to some good hard use. If you too want to get in contact with me via email, my email address is in the description below and I'll happily post these items out to you over the next couple of days. Now, with regards to the competition, I've obviously noticed there's been a bit of debate in the comment section with regards to how people are achieving their likes and at the same time, how fair the competition is in general. I've done the absolute best that I could given the circumstances at the time to ensure that this remains fair. Quick shout out to Danny. He has in fact allowed me to verify his information to make sure that we've all been doing the right thing here, and I have verified that information. So quick thank you to Danny for allowing me to do so. I understand a lot of people have also suggested that I select the winner myself. I didn't want to do that, obvious reasons, to remain impartial, make sure it stays fair and not biased. Number 2, people suggest a random allocation or random winning. I didn't want a random one simply because somebody that wasn't deserving may win it, and somebody that's deserving or creative or has an awesome idea doesn't win it simply because it's random. So to avoid those two, I tried to keep it as simple as possible, and in future I'll be taking all your advice and feedback on board to make sure it stays as fair as possible. What I've decided to do with the little twist on this competition in particular is to try and make it as fair as possible. I have personally selected a short list of people that I've been seeing commenting, liking my videos over the past couple of years, not over the past couple of months. It's people that have been on this channel for a long time and have been supporting me, very loyal, and thank you very much to a short list of people that I have created. From that short list, I made it even shorter. So I've narrowed it down to just 6 people that I've really noticed their names continuously pop up over the past couple of years, and I wanted to thank them personally and also give them the opportunity to win something here. So what I've decided to do is another 3rd and 4th prize for this specific competition. I've selected the 6 names and shortlisted them down to 6, and I'm going to basically put them in this bucket here, and we're going to randomly select 2 of them. So 2 people will win a gift voucher of $250 from their local hardware store, just to hopefully try and smooth things out, keep it as level as possible or as fair as possible with regards to this competition, and hopefully ensure that everybody is happy. So we've got 6 names that I've shortlisted here that are going to be going into this bucket. Now, if your name doesn't get called out, that doesn't mean that I have forgotten about you or that I haven't noticed. It simply means that I had to shortlist it down to people that I've been seeing as much as possible over the years. Always commenting, always liking, being loyal, plenty of feedback. So the 6 names are as follows. We've got Vittorio. So thank you very much, Vittorio, for all your support over the years. You're one of the lucky 6 to be going into this lucky draw right here. So $250 voucher is what we're giving to 2 people out of this 6. Next in line, we've got Zach J. Now, Zach J has been commenting for years. Once again, thank you very much for all your support over the years. Zach J is also going in this bucket. Next, we've got Peter Middo. Peter, thank you very much for all your support over the years, mate. It definitely hasn't gone unnoticed. Peter Middo is also going in this lucky dip right here into the bucket. We've got Steve J. Once again, Steve J, another loyal subscriber out there. Thank you very much, Steve. Hasn't gone unnoticed, mate. Put it in here. If you live in a different country, you're not going to be missing out. You'll just simply get it from your local hardware store instead of Bunnings, which is local here in Australia or New Zealand. Next in line, we've got Michael AU. So I'm assuming he's from Australia. Michael, thanks very much, mate. Much appreciated once again. Going into the bucket. Lucky last, we've got the Real McCod, or Real McCods. Thanks, mate. Once again, Real McCods, you're going in this bucket as well. Hasn't gone unnoticed. All your support, feedback, loyalty. There's the bucket. Shake it around. We're not going to put any edit on this video right here. First one we've got is going to, who have we got here? Zach J. Congratulations, Zach J. We've got here a $250 voucher going out to you. So Zach J is one of our lucky winners. Second one, nice little bucket. Second one, we've got, who's this? Vittorio. Vittorio, congratulations, mate. 2 extra prizes, guys, just to ensure this competition was as fair as possible. I've taken all the advice now based on likes, based on feedback, based on me selecting people that I personally feel have contributed a lot to this channel, and also based on the competition which they entered anyway. So thank you very much to everybody out there. Once again, Vittorio, Zach J, get in contact with me via email address, and I'll happily organize those gift vouchers out to you guys. Hopefully everybody's been enjoying the video and you're learning something from this, and we're going to hopefully grow this channel into something awesome. Make sure you all stick around, share the videos, help each other out. As always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Billshowto.